Good morning, students. Students, in previous topic we have learned modern period. Now we are going to study about the sources. There is no dearth of sources for reconstructing the history of the modern period in India. Okay, let's look at some of these sources. We will see some sources. First is official record. Do you know the meaning of dearth? Dearth means a lack of something. A lack of something means कमतरता असणे. Then reconstructing means describing or showing exactly how a past event happened using the information you have gathered. And after that, we will see official records. The British maintain detailed written records of all their administrative activities in India. And these official records provide valuable information about matter related to all level of administration from the district to the central government. They record provide valuable information about the administration related the matter related to all level of administration and from the district to the central government. They also get up record rooms and the special institutions such as archives. वो कहाँ रखते थे अपने रिकॉर्ड्स? उनके रिकॉर्ड्स रूम थी, स्पेशल इंस्टीट्यूशन थी उनकी, उसको क्या बोलते हैं? आर्क्यूज बोलते हैं. ओके, and we have already know about the archives. Archives means the place where historical records are stored. Okay, and the museums to preserve their records, and they preserve their records there. Most of these records are available in the National Archives of the India, New Delhi, which is in New Delhi, and at the Nehru Memorial Museums and Library, New Delhi. इन द फॉर्म ऑफ मायक्रोफिल्म, म्हणजे सूक्ष्म स्वरूपाचे जे छायाचित्रण करण्यासाठी वापरण्याची फिल्म. ओके, आफ्टर दॅट नॅशनल आर्क्यूज ऑफ इंडिया केम इन टू एक्झिस्टन्स व्हेन अ नीड वॉज फेल टू सॉल्व द प्रॉब्लेम ऑफ गव्हर्नमेंट ऑफिस बीइंग फुल ऑफ पेपर वर्क अँड रेकॉर्ड्स बाय ट्रान्सफरिंग ऑल व्हॅल्युएबल रेकॉर्ड्स टू अ सेंट्रल आर्क्यूज. ओके, आफ्टर दॅट वी विल सी द सर्वे. Survey. The British undertook numerous surveys in order to gather information about the country, as they considered such as detailed knowledge was important to administer India. Do you know, students? British undertook numerous surveys. Okay, and they considered such detailed knowledge which was important to administer India. And they collect information about the country. They gathered information about the country, about the detailed knowledge. Okay, from mapping the land, surveying soil quality, climate and vegetation, to carrying out revenue survey and census operations in order to understand the people. The British rulers produce a huge volume of information which is valuable in the study of modern period. These points are very important, very valuable in the study of modern period. Okay, and I hope you understood these sources, and we will see next period records of European companies. Student, today's homework is write on the official records and survey. Thank you, students.